Hey guys, Pete Techman Coleman here at CES 2020 in Las Vegas, and I am in Eureka Park, my favorite part of CES, and these guys, Re3d, have a 3D printing machine, and you've probably seen 3D printing machines before, but what this one utilizes is recycled plastic. So they have, instead of just using normal plastic, they can make things like this chair here, so that's 100% recycled plastic. And what they have here is some of the recycled plastic that they would feed into the machine. You have different colors, multicolor, something like this, and then they just pour those pellets into the hopper up there. They feed down into the unit, they get heated up, melted, and it prints whatever you like. This is the smallest one they have. It's 600 by 600 mil by 430 mil high, and this one sells for about 17,000 US dollars. So if you're interested, check out the guys at Re3d.